Cutting an apple chevron actually is incredibly easy, but the effect is very good. All you need to do is make a few incisions into your apple, and we're going to put 3 cuts diagonally into one direction. So this one, next one next to it, just slightly shallower, and the third one again shallower still. You then swing that apple around the other way and cut back against those 3 in much the same way, lining them up with the first incisions that you made on the other side, like that. You might have to, when you've done it, because it's difficult to see because it's all the same colour, you might have to just go back in and potentially just extend one of those lines a little bit. But once you've done that, then you should find that the whole thing pops out and will create an effect when you push these up. Like I said, sometimes they stick and you have to just be very careful to redo that line. Like so. So when you push these up like that, you'll end up with a really nice apple chevron that you can then add onto the edge of your glass. Now of course you can do this in any colour you wish. There's one I did in red as well, or of course you could quite easily swap these out if you wanted to do so, and then you would end up with kind of a multicoloured layered effect like that. But that's for you to experiment with. That's how you make an apple chevron.